Hi, how are you all doing? So I'm at the guava tree and you can see there is little guavas coming in. And I wanted to make this video, not just because I'm counting the trees, how many trees I planted the last couple of years, but also to help you, some of you who didn't have experience growing these in this area, to eliminate the worms as much as you can. And what you can do when you see the little flowers, it's already flowered, and you can see the little marble-sized guavas, little fruits on the tree, try to bag it. And that way you can have a nice, delicious guava instead of a whole ton of worms in it. There was times that I bagged it too late, and what happened when it comes to the eating, there was full of worms, and it makes you sad and just disappointed because you're waiting on it for a good while to taste it and it's full of worms. So if you like to have guavas without worms, try to get some organza bags. I put actually double the bags because in the past I tried it with one and they still poke through the little holes somehow. So my advice, try to get the big size like this one. From this one, I have smaller size, but if I could go back and buy it again, I would all buy the bigger size. And then the guavas can grow because some of them grow pretty big, unless the smaller varieties. So that's what I would like to tell you guys. If you're just starting out growing guavas and you don't care for all the full of worms and they are not the most appetizing, try to bag them. And personally, I like to take care of business before it's too late. Because sometimes if I have it in my mind like, oh, okay, I have to do that, and by the time I get around it, it's too late, and that's that, and now you gonna lose the fruit. Or I guess if you don't mind the worms, then you just close your eyes and eat the fruit. I don't know what else to say, but I really don't care for, because sometimes they are big and disgusting. So it's not even they are too small. I do sometimes, like I have this Suriname cherry, like I would eat the cherry. I'm not gonna look into them because most of the time, I promise, you would find worms in them. Especially that I have a pretty much organic garden, completely organic garden, and everything thrives, good and bad. So I would definitely probably find worms, but they are tiny and I'm not gonna think of it. And that's how I grew up eating cherries back in Europe. We just eat the cherries, we don't look into it, just enjoy the cherry, wash it well, and then eat the little protein with it, I guess. But anyways, with the guavas, it's a different story though, because these worms can get huge. I don't like them. As I'm talking about them, I'm thinking of them and ugh. Anyways, if you want to eat some delicious guava, bag them up. And the way I'm doing it, normally I took off a couple of leaves around it and I put one bag and then 2 bags just to be safe, and that way I never had a problem. I could actually taste the guava, enjoy the guava. Here we go. So as it grows, I can adjust the bags, but there is no ways that it's going to poke through these two. It will be really difficult for the fruit flies. So now I know there is 4 guavas that I can actually enjoy when it's gonna be nice and ripened. As for variety, this is the very first tree I planted, and they grow pretty big actually. They grow fast also. You can see it's a shedding trunk. It's beautiful. You can trim it. They take very well for trimmings. I would get it again. I paid about $7 for a plant like probably this size, and it grew this big in 2 years or so, 2.5 years. So they grow very fast. The other variety, this is a Thai giant variety, and this is a green variety. Now you can see it's just pushing in a flower bud, so that's very nice. I'm looking forward to taste this one. And the third, it is a Mexican cream guava. This is a very delicious one. I really enjoy. These are smaller, not too small, but smaller than the other one. You can see the guavas on it, so now I can already bag these. My best advice to you guys: try to bag it as soon as you realize that there is the fruit already forming. It's like kind of marble size. You can wait, but you know there is no guarantee that you're not gonna forget about it, or it's gonna be just too late, because those buggers are getting into everything, let me tell you. And it's no fun when you like waiting for a long time and then you cannot enjoy your fruit. I mean, some I understand, but they would lay eggs. They would try to lay eggs in all of them. So try to save some for yourself and your family. Nothing better than a nice, ripe, organic guava. Alrighty, so just a quick video, and I really hope that some of you can use it for your advantage, so you could enjoy your nice guavas. Great tree to grow. It fruits year round, so it is wonderful to grow guavas. If you like guavas, not everybody like guavas. Some people like guavas, some people don't like guavas. I understand that we all have different taste buds, and just we wired differently in a way that some of us love it. I'm in that category, but some of us not so much. My husband doesn't care too much for guavas, not even for the smell. So hey, more guava for me, right? But anyways, if you guys like the video, push a like please, and if you're not subscribed, I appreciate if you subscribe. I wish you a nice weekend for all of you, and I will see you guys later with more fruit trees, more tropical edibles, and till then, take a good care of yourself. See you later. Bye.